And the rough early lead is taken by field runner and player bottoms moving up on the inside to grab the lead. It is now player bottoms in the lead, followed by field runner on the outside. Moving up on the inside is Morning Nasser. And nearing the far turn, it's player bottom by 3.5 lengths, followed by Morning Nasser in second, and field runner running in third on the outside, and closing in fourth is Caloocan Joy. And rounding the far turn, it is still player bottoms maintaining a 3.5 lengths lead, followed by Morning Nasser on the outside, field runner, and here comes Caloocan Joy, Bangge, and Federer. And into the home stretch, it is still player bottoms in the lead, followed by Morning Nasser in second, and moving up now on the outside is Caloocan Joy. But it's still player bottoms in the lead, followed now by Caloocan Joy on the outside. Is player bottoms by the rail, Caloocan Joy on the outside, player bottoms, and Caloocan Joy now moving up on the outside. And finally, it's Caloocan Joy, player bottoms, Morning Nasser, entry number 7, field runners, Bangge and Federer.
Okay, come from behind win.